So Felicia, what did Mr. Gomez test positive for?
The results came back presumptively for THC and cocaine.
Unacceptable. I am now, you have a bond violation for
017 unacceptable. I am now you testing. You have a bond violation for tampering with your studio microphone, VO number 1. This is where the judge's tone shifts, that unacceptable isn't just about a failed test. In court, tampering with your ankle monitor is like waving a red flag at the judge saying, I don't take your orders seriously.
I mean, they're big rubber boots that are waterproof. In addition to that, Judge, he is a father. He has 1 year old, 1 year, 4-month-old, and the mother of the child that are dependent on him. He is the primary provider for the family. I've admonished him that he is not to do anything, no drugs, no alcohol, no nothing, can't mess with his device. If anything ever comes up again with his device where he has to go in, he needs to notify me. So Judge, we'd just be asking for him not to be revoked at this time and give him another opportunity. If the court would like to do
not going to do it, right? He's testing positive for cocaine. I've ordered him not to use at all. I'm sorry.
No.
No.
If the court would like to do random UAs instead, Your Honor.
Or just what we're doing now. It goes with you. Your bond is revoked. Sorry, Ray. I can't. I mean, I was prepared to do that with that, but you're testing positive for cocaine. Unacceptable. I can't just let you go with that.
Yes, sir.
No, because then
115, they're big rubber boots that are waterproof. In addition to that, Judge, he is a studio microphone, VO number 2. The defense is doing their best here, trying to spin a tampering charge into a plumbing accident. But remember, in legal terms, intent matters. Was it an honest mistake or a convenient excuse? What do you think?
2 to 10 at the penitentiary. Is that what it's going to take? Prison time? Some people only learn the hard way. Is what it's going to take. Watch the news. Every single day in our county here, someone dies from a DWI when it is extremely easy. One button on a phone of an Uber will take you wherever you need to go for $30 freaking. From now on, you may be very well facing up to 10 years in prison, even with a sip of alcohol because of your record. You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your natural-born life. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Don't kill anyone. That's all we're asking. Don't kill anyone. We have enough death on the streets as it is. You have a DWI here. You have another one open somewhere else. You have one from last year. What's it going to take? I'm suspending your license. Is this pled as a first or is it pled as a second? I'm suspending your license for a year. Do not drive. Stop driving.
First, that's good.
I'm not asking for much, man. Really. Good luck to you, man.
Nice sort of urge.
He still has another DWI in another county, man. Really. 1 year. Ricardo,
Yes, Judge.
you okay?
Yeah, just a long day.
I feel your pain.
Yeah.
You did? Okay.
He's basically the same.
Maybe not just what you guys like.
Okay, there's a lot of weight. Come on. Wilson.
We're baby.
Let's see, like,
No, we're two brown people. Brown people.
Hey,
Yeah.
on Newton, are you ready?
I'm ready on the spot. I just need
Mr. Pons, you ready?
Just check with the clerk and
It hasn't been called.
Ms. New.
Which is great.
Marvin.
If he needs more time.
Okay.
No, I think we're,
We call him up. I just need to, we'll change the names because we're doing a name change.
but what about Newton? Are you ready?
On Newton, yes.
Can we bring her up?
Yeah.
Miss Newton, come up.
What's his name?
Yes.
Are you kidding?
And where does start stop? Yes. No.
That's hilarious.
Most of, you know the reason why that is, right?
I did not.
So it tells him he's.
Hey, corrected. I'm gonna send it for
She's pleading the one and this, that's it. That's all. That-
Oh, no.
So,
They want you up there.
Oh,
no, Miss Newton, you here, you over there. Come up, ma'am.
oh.
Mr. Pons, you ready?
Wait. I need to sign, her to sign on the plate.
Okay, let me get it done and then I'll bring her. Okay. Um, and is this one not, this one's not even on the docket, I guess, right?
It's on the docket. Oh, that one case is not on the docket, yeah. Sorry about that.
It just feels good. I am sorry, and. It's a feeling.
Miss Williams, or what is your true name?
It's Williams Newton. Thank you. I brought my ID.
Yeah, I gave him his ID, her ID.
I do, you says Newton.
It's Williams.
So it
Newton.
says Chrysanthia
Williams Newton.
Williams Newton.
Newton. Mhm.
Okay, so we'll do a name change to that, whatever that ID says.
Okay.
You are charged with 4 counts of, I'm sorry, with, is it 2 counts of theft?
3 counts of theft, 1
Counts
failure
of-
to ID.
1 failure to identify oneself, giving fictitious information.
212 no, I love you, Ray, but studio microphone, VO number 3. And there it is, the classic tough love moment from the bench. Judges sometimes speak with surprising warmth, right before dropping the hammer. You can almost feel the disappointment here.
You need to understand, ma'am, is that when you have multiple thefts, at some point they're going to hit you with a felony and you're looking at days instead of years. The agreement that you've worked out is they're going to dismiss 3 of the cases for your plea on 1. You have 1 prior theft, and it's very possible your next one may land you in felony court where you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record and you can never take it off. Do you understand? Like I said, 2 thefts plus when you get a new charge, a 3rd one, you're looking at a felony charge. Do you understand? They can use this to enhance your punishment. Not only that, from now on, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in here for any new cases that you pick up. You understand? Do you still want to do this?
Yeah.
How do you plead to the offense of theft, man? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to 12 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 4 days that you've done. Good luck to you, man. Please see the clerk. Okay, thank you, Mr. Pons.
For now, and I'll call you up to give your collection form, okay?
Oh.
Don't leave until I give you a collection.
Oh,
So you wanna,
oh.
I'll call you back up, just have a second.
Okay.
You run the court cost? Okay.
If you're appointed, of course. This is a very interesting issue. I've really never run across something like this before, where they really have just out at the outset said, "Hey, man, if you blow and you're under, we're letting you go home," which is essentially what's happening here, right?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have any case law that says that it's okay to say that?
We have case law that says that the case that he used is overturned.
Judge, and we also have Sandoval v. State, which is from May of 2000 from the Court of Appeals of Texas, and it
Wait a
does.
second. You're saying May of 2000. When was this case?
I think that one's pretty old.
Oh, this is 95. Okay.
And it's
So
from
what case do you have? Can I
Sandoval.
see a copy?
Yeah, you can keep
Oh, I
that.
think I
You
actually, Judge, may I hand
No, no,
you?
no, no, no.
Okay.
They're talking.
Yeah. All right.
So Sandoval is almost the same thing as, or, I forgot the last name, but
It's the
the,
same thing.
I already know your position.
so.
I'm trying to get theirs.
It states the same thing. And the officer in this case with the facts stated, if you blow under, you can go home. And the Court of Appeals held that the court did not abuse their discretion by letting in the breath test, that it was statutorily, it was outside the statute outside the statute requirements of the DIC reading, but that it didn't
A court found
directly.
that was not.
452 felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Is that what it's going to take? Prison studio microphone, VO number 4. That line hits hard. The judge isn't just sentencing, he's lecturing. Notice how this turns from a legal proceeding into a moral reckoning. It's a last warning before the system stops forgiving.
Abuse of discretion from the trial court, yes, Judge. For Sandoval.
Okay, so but they let it in.
Yes, Judge.
Right. But is there something that says if it's let out, it's an abuse of discretion?
That, no, it's just case by case basis at this point.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, have you seen the cases that they cite here? Okay,
I know these cases. May I point something out to you?
sure.
Was that Navarro that you just read?
I think I'm looking at your Finian. I don't think it's on point. I mean, this is just whether this guy was more afraid about getting stuck by a needle, and that's why he wanted to blow as opposed to,
100%.
whereas this one's more on point where I think it go either way.
It's 100% on point. And then what I wanted to point out to you was, I believe that was Sandoval that you were just reading.
Yeah, Sandoval.
Okay, so in the Navarro, in the Sandoval case, the court said the only case we have found, the only case
Right.
they'd found concerning this very specific issue, the validity of consent given the hearing consequences of passing and failing a breath test, is State v. Sandoval. So they recognize that Sandoval is still good case law. They keep saying that Erdman overruled this case, and that's simply not true. This is still good case law, and I might also add Sandoval is in the Court of Appeals of Texas of Austin, and the case that I cited to you is the 14th Court of Appeals here in Houston, Texas.
Response?
Judge, nothing from defense, from the state. It is really just
Yeah, I
something to consider for the court.
I'm ready to.
452 felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Is that what it's going to take? Prison studio microphone, VO number 4. That line hits hard. The judge isn't just sentencing, he's lecturing. Notice how this turns from a legal proceeding into a moral reckoning. It's a last warning before the system stops forgiving.